Hi, my name is Alex and welcome to your IELTS classes with JIC Online. In this video, we will be looking into Task 2, which makes up 2/3 of your writing score. You're going to have a question to answer in at least 250 words within around 40 minutes. Also, we will be talking about how to make an introduction for Task 2. First, let's look at the structure. An essay will have 4 to 5 paragraphs. The first paragraph is the introduction, followed by 2 or 3 body paragraphs, and the last one is the conclusion. The paragraphs should be broken into chunks for easier reading and for organization as well. In writing, you can either indent the first sentence of each paragraph or you can leave one space after each paragraph. Now, let's discuss the types of Task 2 essays. Generally, the questions are divided into discussion or discursive essays, opinionated essays, and a combination of these two. Although rare, direct questions may also be asked. Discussion or discursive essays are the kind of essays where we simply need to discuss certain points of the topic, such as advantages and disadvantages, 2 points of view, which is more often than not opposing ideas, and causes, effects, or problems and solutions to certain situations or issues. Advantage and disadvantage essays need to have at least 2 positive points, benefits or merits, which are preferably in the first body paragraph, and 2 drawbacks, demerits, detriments, or negative aspects in the second body paragraph. Have you noticed the synonyms we used? Advantages, positive points, merits. Disadvantages, demerits, detriments, drawbacks, and negative aspects. Synonyms are essential in writing. They can also be transformed to their adjective forms so we can use them accordingly. For example, advantage and benefit, you can say advantageous and beneficial. Disadvantage and detriment could be disadvantageous and detrimental. So after learning about the structure, let's talk about making the introduction in detail. As we have mentioned earlier, the first paragraph that you need to write is the introduction. A basic introduction has the paraphrased topic as well as the answer to the question. Now, you might be asking what words need to be paraphrased and what questions need to be answered. Let's take a look at this sample question. Many sports players advertise sports-related products. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this? Now, looking at this sample, the first sentence is the topic, and it should be rewritten and not simply copied. If you would just copy the topic straight from the question, it is not going to be included in the word count of 250 words since it is not your own output. Let's paraphrase the first sentence using synonyms. Many sports players advertise sports-related products. In this topic, we can use the word numerous instead of many, athletes instead of sports players, promote for the word advertise, and sporting goods rather than sports-related products. Now, let's change this active sentence, many athletes promote sporting goods, to the passive as well. The resulting paraphrase topic is, sporting goods are promoted by numerous athletes. After paraphrasing the topic, we have to make an overview. The overview is the response to the questions, in this instance, what the advantages and disadvantages are. There are some sentences that you can use. However, you are encouraged to construct your own to show the range of your vocabulary and grammar. For example, you can use, this essay will explore both the merits and demerits of this trend, phenomenon, or situation. Or you can use, this trend may lead to advantage 1 and advantage 2, but demerits must also be explored. Now, among these two expressions, let's use the second expression as an overview. Take note, the two advantages should be planned before writing. So, the complete introduction for this topic is: sporting goods are promoted by numerous athletes. This trend may lead to the increase in the sales of the products and to the rise in the awareness of physical fitness, but the demerits should also be explored. And that's how you write the introduction. Now, for your homework, try to write an introduction to this topic and then discuss this with your teacher in class. Once again, this is Alex for your IELTS classes with JIC Online. I'll see you again next time, and thank you. Goodbye.